Breaking news, gold getting massacred this Friday. Joining me now to help with an explanation here today is Bill Baruch of iiTrader.com. Bill, thanks for being with me.
Hi, thanks for having me this morning.
Bill, gold is hovering around the $1,500 mark. We saw it slip under the mark and now it has kind of rebounded back. How do you make sense of what's happening in the gold market right now?
Well, I mean, exactly what's happening is earlier in the week, the two major headlines were the Goldman Sachs had lowered the target. Everybody knows about that, but people really took that with a grain of salt. So the real major thing was the Cyprus selling their gold reserves, not because of Cyprus themselves, but as global fears and really global turmoil. As that turns out, if it turns up, you're looking at other countries looking at this as a way to help finance bailouts and help finance their economy is selling gold reserves. We here had 1590.4, the previous support as our major resistance, and when it failed up there on Tuesday, that was a major fail, and I think a lot of the bulls were disappointed, and the truth is the market is in a down leg. Our next target down here is 1474, and the way I'm getting that is when we had 1700 in the June gold contract to the initial 1556.4 low that we bounced from, where that balance reached 1618.3, that range from 1700 to 1556 is now, that range subtracted into 1618 is now down to 1474. So that's our next support level on a range retracement.
Bill, just getting back to your point on Cyprus, though, that deal wasn't yet finalized.
No, it's definitely not finalized, and I think on Wednesday it was put to rest. It was Tuesday. The consolidation day was yesterday. The drop was Wednesday. So the rumors really came out Wednesday, and then so the consolidation day yesterday was because the rumors are put to rest. But the Cyprus president came out this morning or this morning Europe time and was saying that they need financing, and they cannot afford their bailout. They're going to have to do something, and the situation is worse than expected. So, you're seeing a fluctuation to safe havens like the U.S. dollar and treasuries, but not gold, because gold, people are scared that they're going to have to sell it, and although it's not finalized, it's going to be turned to, in my opinion, because it's an asset that they can liquidate in order to help finance their economy. And so, just looking back to was it 3 weeks, three Sundays ago when the Cyprus, or 4 Sundays ago now, when Cyprus happened, the major issue was gold rallied, and that was a chance where all the big gold bugs wanted to get long gold at 1600 and gave it a great opportunity, and it could not break major resistance at 1620. So it said right there that if there's problems in Europe, gold is really not the place to be looking. That was a defining moment, I think, really this year. One of them when gold didn't rally on the Cyprus issue and hold that value. So now you're seeing the possibility of them having to turn to their gold reserves as being a completely bearish leg down. People don't want to hold this. Who knows if when the market closes for 2 days, what type of information is going to come out? That's why the equities are taking a hit as well. And the only safe place to really look towards right now is the U.S. dollar and U.S. treasuries.
Bill, obviously I'm getting a lot of emails from concerned investors regarding the drop. Is there more downside? How much does this concern you?
I think this right now, one of the things I've been saying, I'm not an immediate bull in gold. I'm a long-term bull in gold. But what I've been saying is investors are finding, and physical buyers are finding value at this 1500 level. Really, at 1530 to 1526, to 1550 area has been seen as a value area, low risk. Because the market hasn't seen below 1500 since July of 2011. Now we're below there, and really, what you're looking at is now it's a tough trade. And gold at the 1550 level hasn't been a tough buy. Now it's a tough buy. So I think the fact that it's hard now, hard to buy, I think we're going to start seeing some consolidation at these levels. But 1474 is our next support, and I'm looking to step in at that level.
Bill, thanks for joining me on this very volatile Friday morning.
Thank you very much for calling me.
And thanks for watching this special edition of Kitco News. We'll have Vince Lancy up later on in the afternoon for his thoughts on what's happening in the gold market. In the meantime, you can email me at newsfeedback@kitco.com or follow this conversation at Daniela Cambone. Thanks for watching.